Quality management and lean systems concepts. In the contemporary business world, the concepts of quality management and lean systems are extremely important since they are designed to contribute to the desired effectiveness and efficiency. However, as mentioned by Russell and Taylor, more and more companies fail in implementing these techniques rather than succeed in using them. Due to the fact that there are many different elements involved in the process of production of items or delivering services to individuals, it seems crucial to understand quality management and lean systems better, analyze their distinguishing features, and connect them to each other. Therefore, the following paper will develop an informative description of one concept from both quality management and lean systems, such as Six Sigma and JIT, and close the discussion with observations from the conducted research. Six Sigma is a concept of quality management which can be defined as a set of techniques or methods for process improvement. Stamatis mentioned that this concept was developed at Motorola and has been adopted by companies, such as General Electric, Allied Signal, Ford Motor Company, and others. Six Sigma is composed of several basic elements which are not new to business professionals: statistical process control, failure mode effects analyses, gauge repeatability and reproducibility studies, and other tools and methodologies. In general, this concept provides a framework which can be used to unite the mentioned quality tools with the best level of quality support. Based on the description, it can be concluded that the practitioners of Six Sigma should be able to use the established tools and methods in the way towards constant quality improvement and increased customer satisfaction. Thus, the Six Sigma program is essential since it can improve the experience of clients and the performance of the company by eliminating its defects. JIT, which is the abbreviation for just-in-time, is the concept of lean manufacturing that is essential for the production and delivery of services and products to the customers in time. As the name of this system suggests, it is a specific management philosophy that focuses on the production of what the customer desires, needs, and requests, the reasons why they want it, and the place where they want it. Furthermore, an important point of this system is that the production has to be efficient and without any delays in inventory and delivery. The JIT system is considered to be extremely beneficial for business since it brings a number of advantages to the process. For instance, just-in-time can lead to the improvement of quality, increases in productivity, the ability to manage problems quickly and effectively, and employee empowerment. Therefore, it can be concluded that just-in-time is a crucial concept for any business or organization that wants to achieve positive results while also increasing the satisfaction of clients and motivating its employees. Judging from the descriptions above, it can be stated that quality management and lean systems are both extremely important since they have the full power to bring positive change to the business. By taking Six Sigma and just-in-time as an example, it can be seen that both the first and the second concepts encourage constant improvement in terms of increasing the level of product quality, advancing production processes, and improving the level of customer satisfaction and interest. However, in order to implement these two concepts, the organizations have to be prepared since various challenges may arise on the way. For instance, employees need to have specific knowledge regarding Six Sigma, and just-in-time, all the members have to understand what they want to achieve and how they will achieve that, and the company has to use process mapping and analysis. Thus, quality management and lean systems work for the same goal, but organizations have to be ready for positive change brought by them. To summarize, Edward Deming's research, which first appeared in Japan, made a huge contribution to the understanding of operations management and its importance. The researcher provided professionals with foundational tools and concepts that they are now able to implement in their business and, therefore, achieve positive results. The concepts that were described in the presented paper can and should be used in the contemporary environment for the purpose of improving production and increasing the level of customer satisfaction. Personally, what I can do not to implement the method of Six Sigma and the just-in-time strategy is to educate myself better about them, understand the distinguishing features of each, and learn to implement them in practice. Moreover, I can try to locate various case studies and real-life examples of organizational performance and analyze it from the perspectives of quality management and lean systems. This strategy can help me to understand the concepts better in order to use them in my professional operation in the future.